Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about the tutorial of Sketchup software, how to make elegant luxury house design with 10 and 14 meter dimension. Okay, first of all we have to make a rotated rectangle. Start from this cursor, then we can start from origin. We can type 10 meter. Okay, then we can draw back around 14 meter. Okay, so we can see about the dimension. Okay, and then we have to push it up around 300 millimeter. Then we can make group and we can make the separation between the indoor and outdoor room with the tape measure tool. We can drag it for the left side to the right side around 3, or maybe we can type 4 meter or 4000 millimeter. Then we can push back for the terrace area or semi outdoor area around 300 at 3000 meter. Okay, so and after that we can make the basic shape, basic outline of the wall with using line. Then we can follow the every single corner over there. Then we can end on this position. Okay, and then after that we get the basic plane with the connected of the line. And then we have to push offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Then we can erase it, and after that we can push it up around 3.5 meter. Okay, you can see about the distance of this measurement anyway for the long video. Then we can make group. Okay, and after that we can make another slab element over there. We can using a rectangle. Then we can select a shift, then place on this position. Then we can place in this position also, and then we have to push it up around 150 millimeter for the slab thickness anyway. Then we can make group, so then we can move it down anyway, just something like this. Or maybe we can make another additional wall with the line option. Then we can draw for two corner over there, okay, just like this. Then we can offset it inside 150 millimeter as thick as the wall thickness or of the existing wall anyway. Then we have to push it around 1.5 meter to make another different exterior look of this house. So then we can make another canopy of this semi outdoor floor over there. Then okay, we can push it to the front and push it to the front again around 1000 millimeter or 1 meter, and push it to the right side 1 meter approximately. Or you can adjust for the distance from the exterior wall to the end of this canopy for the proportional look. So then we can make another support with the concrete support rectangle over there, okay, to make it more logic based on the structural principle or structural basic anyway. So then we can make the line over there to make a difference or distinction between the indoor and outdoor floor. We can set the 30 millimeter of it. Then we can select a tape measure tool. Then we can push drag it to the upper position around 2.4 meter. Then we can set this line. Then we can drag it to the right side 1500 millimeter. Okay, so then we can make another guideline in every single side, in the exterior side only anyway for this case. So then we can set the vertical line over there for the proportional position. So we can set the 1000 millimeter of the window, and we can set the window right here also. We can set the 1000 millimeter. So okay, so then we can set the door opening over there. We can using a line. We can draw the line over there. We can set the door and window opening first. Okay, so then we can make it to be whole. Then we have to push it to the limit for every single side over there of the opening position. Then we can delete some unnecessary guideline over there to make us more easier to identify the object and the line. And then we can set the line. Then we can place on this position, start drawing the door frame and window frame. Then we have to offset it frame thickness around 40 millimeter, then we can select it and we can erase. So, and after that we have to push it to back around 120 millimeter of the thickness. Then we can select make group and make a door with a rectangle, door panel with a rectangle around 40 millimeter. Then so we can make group. Don't forget to make component, create. Then we can make it equal position. Then we can place on the right side and flip it along with the green axis. Then we can make another additional pull door handle. Then we can push it to the front again. Then we can offset it inside and push it to the back. Okay, so we can see some detail of this door handle. Okay, and after that we can make the window frame over there. Okay, then we have to set it inside around 40 millimeter. Okay, then we can just erase and then we can push it to the back around 120 millimeter. So then we can make a group and make the horizontal more frame on 40 millimeter thickness of the horizontal window frame. Then we have to move it up around 900 millimeter. Then we have to move it up again and duplicate it, and then we can make the little window element in this position. Then we have to offset it inside around 50 millimeter in erase some unnecessary plane. Then we have to push it to the back around 40 millimeter. Then we can just make it group and make our glazing panel over there. We can make a window leaf glazing panel, and then we can just make group, and then we can make the glazing panel again over there. Then we have to push it to the front again with the standard of the glass panel thickness. Then we have to move it down anyway in this position. Then we can have to adjust for the height of this glass panel over there. Then we can set the material of it. We can use glazing and mirror material. So then we can set the glazing over there. Then we can set the wood element. We can set the wood element. Maybe we can use a black frame, a black color frame of this window and the door. Anyway, we can using it, and we can using then we can set another color of the door panel. We can use this door panel. Okay, something like this. I think it's look more okay. Maybe just something like this, and then we can make another color of the door handle. We can using this wood. Okay, I think it's better than before. So then we can select all this window, and we can make group and make component create. So then we have to move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then we can place on this position or another position of the window as we need, and then we can make sure the appropriate orientation of every single side of this house. Then we can make another element of the architectural exterior wall or canopy or concrete. Maybe we can offset it inside around 300 millimeter. So then we can place we can connect it for unconnected line. Then we have to push it to the front around 500 maybe, and then we have push it to the right side around 500, and then we can set the separation between the both of the plane of the canopy. Then we can place on this position. So then we can make group, and we can make another element. Maybe we can using the canopy element over there on the every single top of window over there. We can using it, and then we can just make a group, and then we can set the canopy over there also. We can set the canopy over there also. Then we have to stretch to the right side, and we can make group. So then, and after that we can set another material such as the wall element material over there. We can using the rectangle also. So in this modern house, we can just only explore with the rectangle anyway, because the correct rectangle arrangement are making the amazing exterior facade of this house anyway, just for only the rectangle arrangements. So we have to explore for ourselves to make the rectangle arrangement until it look better for the luxury an elegant house design anyway. So we can make group of this, or maybe we can make the another rectangle again over there. We can make the rectangle again in this position. Okay, so we have to scale it up. Okay, and then we have to make group and push it to the down. We can push it to the down, then we can make the movement of it until this position. Then we can just make the rectangle longer than before. Okay, so we have to set it until this position. Okay, or maybe we can make the another window element of again. We can make the another window element in here in this position, or maybe we can set it more. Okay, maybe just something like this. Then we can delete some unnecessary rectangle over there. We can push it to the back. Okay, so we can get the another window element again on the another side of the wall, on the right side of this house anyway. So we have to push it to the right side again, or maybe we can set the another element or material over there by using a rectangle and push it to the front again. And you have to make it group. Then we can make the another secondary floor or stair step over there with L shape of this semi-outdoor floor to get access on entrance of this house. We can offset it inside around 700 millimeter. Then we have to push it to the back, and we can complete some uncompleted line over there to make it connected and be a plane, basic plane, and then we have to type push it about 150 millimeter, so it have a good thickness. So then we have to make the another rectangle to make the planer box over there. We can push it to the upper position. Then we have to offset it inside for the greenery on planer box over there, and this and then this side also we can make the another planer box here. We have to push it the upper position, offset it inside. Okay, just like this. Just make it group. So we can do make it group, and after that we can make the another floor element, another landscape element over there. We can using only the line, and we can set the elbow shape over there. Then we can follow this every single corner on the front of this house, on the corner front of this house anyway. Then we can make a group, and we can select landscaping material. We have to select vegetation grass on the appropriate position, and another position also we have to select it, and then we can just make the another type of the exterior wall. I think it's look not better, but we have to set the rectangle on this first, push it to the front, make group, and we can set the height of this texture. We can set 8,000 millimeter anyway. Then for the white around 800 maybe approximately. I think it's better than before. Then so we can set the another concrete material. We can use this. Okay, we can set the concrete material for the rustic floor over there. Then we can set the landscaping for the outdoor landscape with using this one anyway. Then we can set another maybe we can set another brick cladding element over there. We can using the okay, maybe we can using this one. I'm sorry, using this one again, and then we can set for the another wall element using this rectangle, push it to the front, just make group. Maybe we can use this and use this for the modern house. So maybe we can set another concrete material over there. Okay, just something like this, and maybe we can set another maybe we can set another canopy over there. We can using it, and we can place on this position. Then we can offset it outside around 300 millimeter approximately. Okay, it's about 380 millimeter anyway. Okay, so then we have to push it to the back. Okay, push it to the front again. Okay, just make group anyway. Then we can just push it to the front again. Just something like this to make it more better than before. So after that we can we can try to set with another color of this house anyway, or maybe we can set for the another color in this position. Okay, I think it's enough, but we have to set the another material anyway. We can set the another material. Maybe we can use dark or semi dark gray color over there. We can using it for a better look of this house anyway. Or maybe we can set the wood element over there by using this one, or maybe we can adjust for the arrangement of it. Okay, so we can use this one anyway. I'm sorry, we can pick this material and set the material of it, and I think it's done and it's enough. And maybe we can make the another shading anyway, or it's enough. Okay, I have to offset it inside a little bit and push it to upper position, this one. Okay, so then we can set another concrete material on for the planter box over there. We can set the okay, so and last we can set the shadow over there. Then we can adjust for the shadow. We can adjust for the shadow with the shadow option anyway. Okay, just something like this, and or maybe we can set another element. We can using the component. We can using the component with the tree. We can using a tree component over there. We can place on this position, and we can scale it down. And just for the material width, I suggest you to use this translucent dark gray, so it look more representative for the presentation anyway. Or maybe we can set another element landscape over there by using the same material of the grass over there. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I will be a lot of benefit to all of you. Thank you.